Okay, Luke here. So yeah, gonna cut some tin today. Basically, I got sick of always going through discs. So today I'll show you a different way of how to do things. This is my angle grinder. Basically, this is just a stone cutting disc, and if you have a look, I've just taken out little pieces with a disc grinder. Just use your cutting disc. Now these discs here, you use it on the tin, and you'll go through them heaps. It'll cost you. So with this here design, I'm sure that plenty of people do it, but I never got taught, and basically I just made it myself, and just thought other people should know about it. So put my glasses and hearing protection on, and I'll show you how it works. So basically I've just got it on the back of a ute, and got a bit of wood to support it so it doesn't move. And just gonna cut it. This way, you don't use discs. Simple as that. It's fast, does the job.